Hi, I'm Sakshi, a clinical nutritionist and the founder of Ahar Theory. And today I'm going to tell you exactly why these digestive issues occur so commonly during the monsoon season and how and what you can do to protect your gut. Our bodies need changes with the season. During the summer season, because the body wants to conserve water, we crave for more hydrating and lighter foods. But during the winter season, because the body wants to conserve energy, we crave for more warmer and heavier foods. But during the monsoon, all of this changes. The sudden drop in temperature, the humidity, and the damp conditions become the perfect environment for gut disturbances. Moreover, gut motility, also known as Agni in Ayurveda, tends to weaken during the monsoon. When the digestion slows down, the risk of digestive issues increases. Moreover, the humid condition becomes the perfect environment for the growth of bacteria, viruses, and parasites to multiply in food and water. Poor hygiene conditions and contaminated drinking water can lead to various gut related issues like diarrhea, food poisoning. The good news is a few simple dietary changes can help support your gut health during the monsoon. Always choose and prefer freshly cooked warm homemade meals over refrigerated or leftover food. Include gut friendly foods like khichdi or freshly prepared homemade soups. Try to include a lot of probiotics like curd and buttermilk, as they not only will give you hydration but will also support your gut health. Avoid fiber maxing. Certain foods can increase the risk of digestive discomfort during this season and they must be avoided. Raw salads and cut fruits from outside, as the risk of contamination is higher. Fried foods, as they're difficult to digest. Certain seafoods must be avoided as the risk of waterborne contamination is higher. Try to avoid cold drinks and foods directly from the refrigerator, as they can suppress your digestive enzymes. Avoid mushroom and green leafy vegetables, as they can harbor bacteria. But if you're consuming, always wash them thoroughly and cook them before consumption. I don't drink water because I don't feel thirsty. But the humidity around you can trick your body into missing signs of dehydration. Hence, it is important to include enough fluids through the day, preferably warm or at room temperature. Include herbal teas like ginger, lemongrass, and tulsi, and warm soups as well. If you have experienced dehydration, diarrhea, or vomiting, always include ORS, coconut water, and buttermilk to replenish the lost electrolytes. Try to avoid packaged, sugary drinking fluids or liquids, as they will not only spike up your sugar levels but will also feed the bad gut bacteria. The gut is your body's second brain, and during monsoon, it needs a little extra care. Simple dietary changes can make a huge difference of how you feel throughout the season. If you have experienced persistent digestive symptoms, always consult your doctor or a healthcare practitioner. I hope you found this helpful. Like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to share your monsoon diet questions in the comments below.